Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am making a delicious pork roast meal all in my slow cooker. Now I know there's this huge Instapot craze going on right now, but I still love my slow cooker and I just love to be able to use it. So I'm excited to show you just how I make this delicious pork roast meal. I love a slow cooker. Yes I do. Now for those of you who are new to my channel, I am Chef Christy and I'm sharing delicious recipes every single Monday and Thursday. So please subscribe and help me to grow this channel and hit the notification bell, then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. And I have lots of delicious recipes coming out for the holidays, so I'm excited. And I don't want you to miss any of them. But let's get ready and let me show you how to make this pork roast meal. Okay, so to your pork roast, you want to salt and then I'm going to be using this Italian dressing seasoning mix. And I'm just going to sprinkle this over my pork roast. Ranch seasoning mix is also very good. I need to go wash my hands before I touch the pepper. Okay, then some cracked black pepper. Okay, so then I'm just going to place this pork roast right into my slow cooker, and I've got it on high. So now I want to show you the vegetables that I'm going to cook with my pork roast. Okay, so I'm using the golden potatoes. I have a can of green beans that I've drained the water off of, and then I've got some carrots. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to season each of them separately with this same Italian seasoning that I put on my pork. Put a little bit of salt with each. Cracked black pepper. Okay, now that I've seasoned all of my vegetables, I'm going to place them in the crock pot with my pork. But I have a special little way I'm going to do this today, and I want to show you just how I do it. Okay, so this is why I have kept my vegetables separate, because I'm just going to place them in piles around the pork. Now you do not have to do this. You could mix your vegetables up, but I'm just going to keep them separate today. All right, it's looking good. So now I'm going to cover this and let this cook for about 6 hours. Okay, so I have one more ingredient that I want to put into my pork roast, and it is for sauerkraut. Now listen, I know that not everybody likes sauerkraut. I am aware. But I just want to say, if you are completely against it, then you can take some cabbage, just shred some cabbage, toss it with that same Italian seasoning and place it into your crock pot and it will be delicious. But if you are willing to give sauerkraut a chance, then I have a trick for you that will make it a little bit milder and so it's not quite as scary. So let me show you how to do it. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is just rinse your sauerkraut with water. So I got to thinking, maybe you don't really know what sauerkraut is. And all it is cabbage that has been, I like to say pickled, because fermented is a little bit scary, but that's all it is. It's just a way to preserve food to give it a longer shelf life. It has been around for hundreds of years, and it really is, I think it's delicious. I like it. So step out, try something different, and give it a chance. Okay, so to my sauerkraut, this is a little trick just to keep it from being so tart, is after you rinse it really good, to sprinkle it with a teaspoon of sugar, and then I'm going to sprinkle in the rest of this seasoning blend, and then just mix this around, and that really does help keep it from being so tart. Okay, so my pork roast has been cooking for about 4 hours. I did not want to put this sauerkraut in there in the beginning because it can really cook down too much and it kind of gets kind of soggy, mushy. So I am going to add it now to the one end. Okay, so now I'm going to cover this back up and just cook it for another few hours until the pork is nice and tender. And for a closer look, that's what we're talking about. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. I'm so excited. I want to show you guys what this looks like. It's been cooking for about 7 hours and it's done. Let me show you. Ta-da! Yum, yum. Oh my goodness. What a meal. Okay, so now I'm going to place this delicious pork roast meal into this beautiful bowl here. I cannot wait. It is falling apart. Oh, delicious. This meal is fantastic. It is so delicious. And listen, like I said, if you do not like sauerkraut, but you like cabbage, just shred cabbage and it would be delicious. Or you don't even have to have cabbage at all. You could just have whatever vegetables you want. But this is so good. And that sauerkraut, rinsing it and then putting a little bit of sugar and the Italian seasoning. I mean, that is not hardly tangy at all. Like you can't even really taste the sour, which I like the sour. Such good flavor. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you soon with more recipes.